I want to show you something cool you can do with data for SEO. You can generate keywords and then you can filter them in Airtable by the user intent, the competition, and the volume. So this is my input screen to generate related keywords. The inputs are whether I want the search to be for low, medium, and or high competition only. So if I leave it at low, I'm only searching for low competition related to design ideas. This is the offset so that when I search for new keywords, I won't pick up the first 31 because I've already searched them, and I'm saying I want 15 on the next run. And this column is if I approve the keyword for content generation. Making a decision about which keyword to work on is easier if you use filters. So here's the output, and it's very hard to read because there's so much data. But what it's showing us is what the competition is, the search volume, the search intent, keyword difficulty, the trend, the age groups that search for this keyword, the genders, and the bids. But this is too much to look at. So the minimum amount, or maybe the maximum amount of data that I want to use to search for which blogs to write is this data set right here. All it gives me is the competition, the volume, the intent, keyword difficulty, and the trend. But what if I am now aware of all of my keywords and I want to refine them further? Well, one thing that can be profitable to do is to filter the keywords by search intent. So these keywords are only transactional. So if I search for room layout planner, somebody is looking to buy Bauhaus interior design. Whether that's transactional, I think, is debatable, but room design tool is transactional, and wall tiles design, somebody who's searching for that is perhaps looking to the middle to the bottom of the funnel because they're already aware that they want wall tiles as their search, and they're not just looking for walls design. Half wall design ideas is very high competition. So these are good transactional keywords, but are they the best? Well, the next thing we can do is look for transactional keywords that have lower competition. I don't actually have any that have low competition, so I filtered by low and medium competition. And now I have industrial interior design planner, which I think is transactional. Ceramic tile design San Rafael is transactional, but perhaps not appropriate for my blog. I'm going to go one step further and look for transactional keywords with low to medium competition that are also on a positive trend, whether that is monthly, quarterly, or yearly. So over here, at least one of monthly, quarterly, or yearly is positive. And that narrows down the next blog to small traditional kitchen design, large subway tiles kitchen, white rectangular ceramic tiles, and pink tile bathroom makeover. These are medium competition, transactional intent, and they have at least one timeline on which they are trending in a positive way. And if I filtered out too much competition and I want to just go for the high competition keywords, then I can include the competition level of medium and high, and I'll get a few more choices. So these are just some of the things that you can do with data for SEO using Airtable to decide which keywords you want to use to write your next blog.